First of all, you have to take the screenshot of this picture and then go for the black and white photo state. So you will get this design on the A4 size sheet, and you have to cut this, and according to shape we have to draw all the petals of flower. Now you have to see कि I got this petal shape. Now I have taken this silver net. It is available in Oswald Gota store. We have to trace the design at least 6 to 8 petals we will use in single flower. We have to draw the design one in one direction, second is another opposite direction. This way we have to draw all the petals serial orderly. With the help of scissor, we will cut all the petals. Now we take any pen or pencil. We will hold our petal. The shiny portion we will keep upper side, and we will turning around the pen, and we will push it and press it by with our thumb or fingers, and there is several wrinkle will occur, and it looks like several veins are there. As if you have seen, I make this way all the petals, so it turn around, it's having several veins occurring. Now we have to take one bundle of this pips, and we have to turn around this pattern. With the help of golden or a silver wire, we will tie this cloth, and overlapping of each pattern we will tie this pattern again and again. As if you have seen, the edges of one petal is overlapped by another petal. Like this, we will tie all the petals around this and our flower get ready. Tie with golden wire tightly. Instead of this golden wire, you can take the thread also. Now you have to take green tape. This is flower making green tape. This is already having the pasting material at the back side. You have to stretch this and turn around this tape all around the wire. This way we cover all the wire surface and convert into a green in color. Now your flower is ready. You have to arrange the petal in a systematic manner so it looks beautiful. Now you can take any pot, you can take any silver arrangements, dry sticks, and you can arrange in your pot either a single flower, either a double or a triple flower you can decorate in your pot.